We got day of Monday, 27th November. Came up, pulled a goodly amount of radish. Wife got some of her kale leaves. You know, we're starting to get into freezing weather overnight. Lost one cabbage. Everything else looking pretty healthy. And this week we'll be pulling more radishes. And went to take my 99 Ford, fill up with fuel. I was going to come up here in it to give it a good bath because we were down there in the salt air and on the beach. As soon as I filled up with fuel, it started running rough. Then it stopped running completely. So I was still running off the fuel that was in the filter after I filled up, and it started running rough. It's a fuel issue. Finally, it just stopped. I was able to get off the main road into an entrance to a restaurant, get the tow truck out there to tow it. So I'm in the Ram. I already got the Ford to the garage I use. And of course they're going to check the fuel filter first. See if it's completely fouled out, or it's going to be the injector system again. The tow truck driver said, Amos, once you get this thing running, it'll sell for $35,000, which maybe he's being overly generous. And of course my response was, well, that's just all well and good, but a new pickup's $80,000. So I just keep on fixing on this one. I say the independent repair shop I use, and they always do me a great job. They'll do the troubleshooting and repair of it. As soon as they get that done, the Ram has to go to them, the same shop, for oil change and general service of it. And we just finished. Tommy pulled in the driveway last night. 996 trouble-free miles. And started this morning. It wasn't 100%. I thought it was because it was cold. And then, like I said, put fuel in it. That's all she wrote. So I was bragging on it. I guess I shouldn't have done that, but it'll get repaired. Ain't no big deal. Still a hell of a lot cheaper than buying a new truck. Of course, Ram's perfect. So, yeah. Gerda goes back to work Wednesday. And she wants to do Christmas decorations day and tomorrow. So we'll go buy more lights and such at Walmart. And I'll just have to clean the Ford up when I get it back. Could not have happened at a better place. You know, we could have been down South Texas. We could have been halfway home. We could have been all kinds of places. And it literally broke down 4 miles from the repair shop. So the tow was only a $100 bill on a Monday, not on a weekend. So God's watching out for me. So anyway, that's all that's going on with me right now. You know, thank goodness I got a spare truck. So life's still good. That's all for this one. Thank you.